System restore points will now be deleted automatically after 60 days. Yes, you heard it right. Microsoft made this announcement through a recent blog post at support.microsoft.com. Let me show you the official blog post. So, this is the official blog post. I will provide the link to this blog post in the description of this video. Scroll down, and you will see this update in the improvements section. After installing the June 2025 Windows Security Update, Windows 11 version 24H2 will retain system restore points for up to 60 days. The OS build of the June 2025 Windows Security Update is 26,100.4349. If your system is running Windows 11 OS build 26,100.4349 or a later version, your system restore points will automatically be deleted after 60 days. To check the Windows 11 OS build, click Windows Search and type Run. Click Run to open the Run command box. Type WinVer and click OK. Now, you can see the Windows 11 OS build installed on your system. As you can see, my Windows 11 OS build is higher than this one, which means this update also applies to me. The biggest benefit of the system restore points is they help you restore your system to the previous point in time. You can use System Restore if any problem occurs on your system. Now, you have to create the System Restore points manually. I will show you how to do that. Click Windows Search and type Create a Restore Point. Click Open. The System Properties window will appear. Go to the System Protection tab, select your C drive, and click Create. Now, enter the name of the restore point. I suggest you enter the date and the time while creating a restore point, as this will help you select the right restore point in the future. When you are done, click Create. Windows 11 will start creating the system restore point. To view restore points or restore your system, click System Restore, then click Next. You will see all the available restore points. Select any one of them, click Next, and follow the on-screen instructions to restore your system. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.